burns on my legs because of the bites.
God. We just wanted our own thing.
I know, I think. I literally like don't know.
Bye so well.
Wow. Cheers.
Cheers!
It's a 10. Yeah. How long is she giving us this?